Corporation of London, Highgate Wood, bylaws made by the Mayor and combined citizens of the City of London in 1878. In these bylaws, open space means any area of land described in the schedule hereto, unless the context otherwise requires. The corporation means the mayor and community, people who live in the same locality, and citizens of London. The playground means the playground. Power-driven model aircraft means any aircraft driven by combustion of petrol vapor or other combustible substances. The open space shall be opened in such hour in the forenoon and shall be closed in such hour in the afternoon, from the time to be specified on the notice board set up by the corporation, i.e. the mayor and community and citizens of the City of London. A person shall not in the open space brawl, fight, or cause any disorder, behave in an indecent manner, behave to the annoyance of any person or persons, use profane, obscene, indecent, or offensive language, carry or discharge any firearm, air gun, or air pistol. Throw any stone or missile, or use any instrument, catapult, crossbow, or golf club for projecting any stone, ball, or missile. Set fire to any substance, whether growing or not. Place, throw, or leave any light, fuse, firework, match, or other material to the danger of any building, shrub, tree, plant, or person. Land a helicopter or light aircraft, except in emergencies. A person shall not in the open space walk, run, stand, sit, or lie upon any grass, turf, or other place where there exists a notice to keep off such grass, turf, or other place, unless such a notice applies to more than 1/5 of the area of open space. Erect any post, rail, fence, pole, tent, booth, stand, building, or other structure, provided that this prohibition shall not apply, whereupon application to the corporation they grant permission to erect any post, rail, fence, pole, tent, booth, stand, building, or other structure. Beat, shake, sweep, brush or clean any carpet, drugget, rugs or mats or any other fabric containing dust or dirt. Hang on, spread or deposit any linen for dyeing or bleaching. Bring in or cause to be brought in to the open space any barrow, truck, machine, bicycle, tricycle or motorcycle or vehicle other than 1. A wheelchair or perambulator drawn by hand and used solely for the convenience of a child or children. 2. An invalid chair or invalid carriage or like